Are you getting the error? This game requires a more recent version of Windows 10 or later when trying to launch WWE 2K26 on PC? This error usually appears when your system is running an outdated Windows version, missing required updates, or when the game cannot properly detect your current Windows build. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download Now. Double-click the media installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition, and then press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Select your download folder. Name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for Windows 11 to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 file. Double-click Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Wait for Windows to update. This might take a while. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to be upgraded to the latest version.